When you have groups of elements defined on a model, how can you get the energy distribution in those groups when the structure is condensed in superelements? At the creation of the superelement, define those groups for the energy distribution, here for the low pressure rotor and for the high pressure rotor separately. Then, when you use the superelements in an assembly, here for the low pressure and high pressure rotors, in the complex model analysis, we can ask here for the complex modes, the critical modes, and in an energy distribution, we can ask for energy distribution for groups in superelements. That will use the groups defined at the creation of the superelement. Here we ask the necessary files to allow a recovery of results after the simulation. We can solve simulation using the superelement that is very fast. In Secutab, the option SEGRP activates the use of groups inside superelements. In the results, we have the Campbell diagram with modes at critical speeds, but to get the contour plots, we will ask for the results recovery. We already have the energy distribution in the for the different modes. And here, for instance, for the first critical modes of the first rotor. Here we launch the recovery of results on the low pressure rotor and high pressure rotor separately, and then we can merge those results to have a single output file to be post-processed. In the merged results, here for 3D recombined results, we can see the critical mode at 40 Hz, and that is a low pressure rotor mode for the compressor part.